Today I have an air purifier to review. It is from PARTU. This is a HEPA air purifier with some cool features such as color changing night mode. Of course, the reason you use an air purifier is to remove dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and other pollutants from the air in your home or maybe your office. And this unit removes 99.97% of these pollutants from the air. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in. It features all the specs, including some about the HEPA filter on the side, the 3-speed adjustment that is on this as well. And it is model BS-08. Alright, so here's the instruction manual for the PARTU Air Purifier. Inside it tells you how to troubleshoot it if you have problems, how to set it up, and how to clean the air filter, which I will show you how to do that later. So some quick dimensions. The air purifier is 15.27 inches high. It is 6.88 inches width, and then it weighs about 5.5 pounds. So let's take a look at the controls. Alright, so here's a look at the control panel. You can see there are 4 buttons right at the bottom here, and then right in the middle you have your speed button. Right here is your on button, so we can turn the device on, and it's on. In the middle you have the speed button, which ranges from low, medium, and high. So it starts low, get to the second one, medium, and then there's the third one. On the low setting, the fan is very quiet, but if you would like to use it for some sort of white noise machine, you can turn the fan up higher, as I just did. It's 24 dBs at the lowest setting, and it's 48 at the highest. Now, the second button right here is the light button, and this first starts off as bright multicolor changing lights. I will turn the lights off a little bit later to show you a better view of this, but press it once, it's at bright, press it again, it's a little bit dimmer, and then press it again and it's off. So that has 3 settings as well. Right here, the third button is the AntiOn button, and each second when you press it, it will release 6 million anions to clean and purify the air. As you can see right now, it is on. Here, the last button you have is the filter. It's not really a button, it's mainly a light to tell you when you need to change your filter. Now, it is recommended that you change your filter every 6 to 8 months. So, now let me show you how to change your filter. So, the best way to approach this is by putting it upside down, and it's so easy to access. All you have to do is turn the bottom. As you can see, it's easily accessible right here. There you go. And here's the filter. Now, when you first get this, it will be wrapped in plastic, so I recommend as soon as you get it, you open it up and make sure you take that off so it can work properly. But it is circular, and HEPA filters are great for if you have pets, dander, if you smoke maybe, or if you're in a very high pollen area. So make sure you check the description section below for a link to the product itself and its replacement filters, just in case you need them. Putting that back in is very easy. All you have to do is push and click, and then you're all ready. Alright, so I'm going to dim the lights a little bit to show you a better look at these colorful lights. Alright, so here's a look at the color changing lights. They are very beautiful. Here we have purple, red, yellow, green, and then we're going to get into blue. I love this edition because already the function of this is great, and also the design is very unique. Usually you get just a box that purifies your air. Here we get this sort of cylindrical device with a very interesting control panel and very bright, colorful lights. Of course, you do not have to use the lights if you don't want to. Just simply, that's the dim mode. I'm going to leave that on for a second to show you the difference. That's dim. And then, right there, we have the off. Isn't that an attractive looking dial? It says fresh air. I can feel fresh air. It's great. Now, we really enjoy having air purifiers in each and every room, and I like having one in my dorm back at school. They help purify the air, and especially if it's a pollinating season and it's strong, it's great to combat allergies. Alright, so that's a look at the PARTU Air Purifier. Please check the description section below for more information on this product. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.